I work with Ranga as a service provider for my bot development. He was very efficient, very professional. Within a day, he installed the program and like executed whatever my requirement was. I'm very happy with it. He delivered exactly what he explained. So I definitely recommend Ranga.
Welcome to the DEX Volume Bots channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Today, we're diving into real user experiences with our Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot. These are real traders and project owners who used our bot to increase trading volume, get trending, and attract investors. Let's hear their honest feedback and break down exactly how this bot works.
Hi, my name is Ashik. I work with Ranga as a service provider for my bot development. So he has created me a personalized trading volume bot. He was very efficient, very professional. Within a day, he installed the program and like executed whatever my requirement was. I'm very happy with it, to be honest. He handled me very professional. He's a very friendly guy to talk to and very helpful. He sent me everything within which I think we closed the dealing within 1 hour. Because the way he explained was very professional and he delivered exactly what he explained. And throughout the installation process, he logged in from video training call and set up everything for me, give me all the instructions, and he's still helping me whenever I need him. So I definitely recommend Ranga. Thank you.
Now let's dive deep into how the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot works and why it's so powerful. Step 1. Create unlimited wallets. The bot automatically creates multiple new Solana wallets. There's no limit to how many wallets you can generate. This spreads trading activity across different addresses, making the volume appear natural. Step 2. Transfer tokens and SOL automatically. Your token and SOL are automatically transferred from your Phantom wallet to the newly created wallets. The bot distributes funds strategically, ensuring that each wallet has enough SOL for transaction fees and enough tokens for trading. Step 3. Place randomized buy and sell orders. The bot executes buy and sell orders at random intervals, simulating real market activity. Order size randomization. Trades are executed with different amounts to prevent detection. Random delay between trades. The bot varies execution times so trading doesn't follow a predictable pattern. Step 4. Transfer back remaining tokens and SOL to your Phantom wallet. Once the trading cycle is complete, the bot automatically consolidates the remaining tokens and SOL from all the new wallets back into your main Phantom wallet. This ensures no assets are left unused, making the process efficient and cost-effective. Top benefits. According to users, unlimited wallet creation for realistic trading, automated fund transfers to avoid manual work, randomized trade sizes and delays for authenticity, helps tokens trend on Pump.fun. Faster, all remaining funds automatically return to you. Ready to boost your token's volume and visibility just like our clients? Our Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot is trusted by top token creators to get the best results. Contact us today for a demo or to get started. Connect with us, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.